a ginger flavored simple syrup. If you ever want to make ginger ale from scratch, this is how you do it. So this is 2 cups of sugar. To that I'm adding, let's say tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons of diced fresh ginger, and this is 1 cup of water. We're going to bring this to a boil. Remember to stir. If you don't, the sugar on the bottom will start to caramelize. The whole mixture will start to darken, and it won't be simple syrup after that. It'll be on its way to a kind of caramel. It's not what you want. This is clear. Nice and clear. So we're going to go 1 minute, take it off the heat, directly into a container, and then we'll use it fresh in a drink and put the rest in the fridge.